everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can use Canva's branding kit to ensure that all the content are consistent and on brand. Alright, so the first thing you would do is log into your Canva account. Assuming that you've already done that, you're going to go to the brand section over here and we're going to click add new. I'll just hide this here and we are going to name this brand kit. So just for the purpose of this video, we are creating a brand kit for a company that sells pizzas. So I'll just call this pizza branding kit. We'll click create. And the next step that you got to do is, so next we're going to upload our logo. So if you have a logo already designed, you can just click upload logo and add that file into the system. So I'm going to take this logo and just upload it over here. And next you're gonna enter the guidelines, which is going to help your team understand as to how they can use this logo, on what content pieces they can use these logos and things like that. So once you enter some guidelines over here, you're gonna hit save. And next we're going to add the colors. So we're going to add primary colors and secondary colors to our palette. So based on the logo that we have entered, Canva does a really good job of extracting those colors. So you can always verify it. These colors look great to you. You can just click keep, and if you feel there's a color that's missing, you can always click add a new color and you can add the color code over here and it will be plugged into the system. So we just want to keep 3 colors for branding purposes. So I'm just going to remove these 2 colors over here. So these are our primary colors, so we'll name it like that, and we're gonna have a secondary color palette. So we're going to plug some colors over here as well. All right, so we have added both of our colors. This looks great to me. Next, we're going to enter our font styles. So I'm going to click the edit icon over here and you can go in and select the font. So we're going to stick to Poppins font. And this is mainly for title. If you want to change that, you can always go in over here and make those adjustments. And we're going to adjust the size of our fonts. So currently it is set to 42, but if you want it to be a bit more larger, you can set it to 48 and things like that. If this looks great to you, you're going to click save, and that's how it will be saved in the branding system. You can also add the brand voice, which is the guidelines that is going to help your team stay on brand when they are using Magic Write tool, which is an AI tool provided by Canva to write captions and copy for various content pieces out there. So I'm going to click add your brand voice and you can enter your guidelines over here. So essentially I want my brand voice to be playful and casual because we are dealing with pizza, so we want to keep it authentic and fun at the same time. And I'll click save. So then we have the photo section, and this is where you can add like a certain theme or pictures that you want your team to incorporate when they are creating content pieces for social, website and things like that. So you can upload your pictures over here. You can also add things like pictures, graphics and icons that will be incorporated when you are creating these pieces of content. You can also share this branding kit with your team members, so you can copy the link, send the link to your team members out there and they can review it as well. So the next thing we're going to do is create some templates which will be useful for your team to collaborate better, and they can simply use that template to create any pieces of social media content out there. So we're going to click create brand template, and let's say we want to create an Instagram post. So we're gonna come to this page, and over here you do have a bunch of templates section for you to take a look from, but essentially we're gonna click brand, and over here we do have our pizza branding kit plugged in that we just created, and also our colors and fonts. It's easily accessible, so you can actually get ahead and start creating that template. So this is just an example brand template. So basically what we did was went to the design section and we pulled a template that pre-exists on Canva, and now all you have to do is go to the brand section and use the logos, colors and fonts and customize your entire presentation the way you like it. So this just makes the process a lot more easier and seamless, because every time you want to go in, for instance, and like change a color of your presentation, you have your branding kit displayed on the Canva section, so you can just go in, pick the color and customize it, so everything looks nice and seamless. So a really handy tool. And similarly, you can create templates for presentations, social media posts, newsletters, and things like that.